right, y'all. So we've had breakfast. We had it out. And my husband, we in the van today because if we going to meet Destiny, I know they going to buy something big. So Dominique, she called and they said, Mama, you know if we get something large, y'all going to have to get it for us. So we in a, what type of van is this?
Chrysler.
I like the features on it, y'all. It's real nice, y'all. It's got the 3-row. And y'all know Lincoln, whenever Lincoln see a van or a rental car at the house, what Lincoln think, boo? Y'all say, we going to the hotel. And Lincoln love to go to the...
my vehicle, put some brakes on.
Yeah, because my husband's car went down. He had to have something to drive back and forth to work. So we just out and about today in Memphis doing some ooh-wee, y'all.
Hate when lights do it. Y'all ever have lights just bam out of nowhere turn red?
He just almost ran it. If I wasn't vlogging this, he would have ran it, y'all, wouldn't he? He would have. So today we're going to take y'all along with us on this nice, I'm not going to say gloomy, but it's a nice foggy day on this beautiful Saturday here in M-Town is what I like to call it. Going ahead and meet up with Destiny and Dominique. Y'all, let's go. Our first stop today is we have to stop at Kroger. My husband has to get his mom some goose salmon. So we're getting those and we're heading on. Maybe another stop. With Destiny and Dominique, we're in Kirkland. Hey, baby, this ball don't play. So they got to give me a car. Don't worry about it. That vlog gonna be right on this phone. Don't play. Hear them. Okay, so we've been out all day. We just went and visited Greg's mom. And Destiny, you have a subscriber that works here. She recognized Greg. What did she tell you, Greg?
Like the album.
What did she say, Romalon?
My name is Tiffany.
Tiffany, because by the time y'all see this, it'll be posted anyway. Y'all, this is delicious. Look at Boone. Listen who they looking at over there. Look who they watching.
Try it out because this is training. And you know it's training, baby.
You know that is. That Lincoln. See what you just did?
They watching you, Boone. They watching Boone. But y'all, this is delicious. I mixed it in with the pieces of the cobbler. Oh, y'all, this is so good. Listen to my husband sitting over here talking about this. Who the best editor?
Boom.
Boone the best?
Editor.
This is no longer open.
Okay, you all may remember this room. It's the room I had decorated for my brother when he came home from prison. What I am about to do, I'm about to change it and turn it into a guest room where I'd already changed some of the things. But I got rid of that bed, so I'm about to set this bed up. Just has the rails, the 3 pieces going here. All of this stuff is coming out and I'm going to completely redo it. This is a picture that I had. This is the headboard, box spray, and I have the mattress that I purchased. Let's see if we can change it. I didn't know I was going to inflate that quick, but it's really soft. Look at this. Got the nice plush little cushions here. It actually smells really good too, y'all. So I'm gonna have to sleep in here one night and let you all know how it feels.